Formula One's expansion into the Middle East brought us tracks like Bahrain and Abu Dhabi, but in 2021 Saudi Arabia entered the scene with the Jeddah Corniche circuit. Designed by Carsten Tilke, son of the famous F1 circuit designer Hermann Tilke, this track was built to be the fastest street circuit in Formula One history. But whilst its high-speed nature has delivered intense races, it's also often raised serious safety concerns. Unlike traditional street circuits, Jeddah isn't full of tight hairpins and slow corners. Instead, it's a fast-flowing and extremely narrow layout, with walls lining both sides, making it one of the most unforgiving circuits on the calendar. It stretches 6.174 kilometres, making it the second longest track in Formula One, behind only Spa-Francorchamps. With 27 corners, most of them high speed, and average speeds exceeding 250 km an hour, it is often described as a roller coaster ride through the streets of Jeddah. Built in just 8 months, this circuit was meant to showcase Saudi Arabia's vision of modern motorsport. The goal? To create one of the most challenging and spectacular tracks in F1 history. But was this ambition perhaps too extreme? Despite being an infant track, Jeddah has already given us some unforgettable moments, both thrilling and controversial. The inaugural Saudi Arabian Grand Prix in 2021 was, frankly, absolute chaos. Red flags, safety cars, crashes and controversial decision-making made it one of the most dramatic races of the season. The battle between Lewis Hamilton and Max Verstappen reached its boiling point when Verstappen was ordered to give Hamilton the position back but braked suddenly, leading to a controversial collision. Hamilton went on to win, but the race left many questioning whether the track was simply too dangerous. The following year we saw an epic duel between Max Verstappen and Charles Leclerc. Both drivers ended up playing a game of cat and mouse with the DRS detection zones. This led to one of the most unique strategic battles in modern F1, as both tried to outsmart each other as the fight for victory continued. By 2024, the circuit had hosted multiple races, but the story remains the same: high-speed drama, unpredictable accidents and incidents, and a fair share of safety concerns. While improvements have been made to visibility and some corner adjustments too, the fundamental risk of racing at such high speeds between concrete walls remains a major talking point. While Jeddah provides spectacular racing, it's also been heavily criticised for its safety issues. The track's combination of high speeds, blind corners and minimal runoff areas means that one mistake can lead to a multi-car crash. Some of the biggest concerns include blind high-speed corners. Drivers are often committing to a corner without even knowing if a crashed car is awaiting around the bend. Minimal runoff areas. Unlike most circuits with large asphalt runoffs, Jeddah punishes even the smallest of errors. And of course, red flag chaos. The track has produced multiple red flag incidents due to crashes blocking the track. Many drivers, including Lewis Hamilton and Max Verstappen, have expressed concerns over its extreme risks, with some calling for further adjustments to improve safety. The Jeddah Corniche circuit is undoubtedly one of the most thrilling and visually spectacular races on the calendar though. Its high-speed nature, combined with the unpredictability of street racing, has created some of the most dramatic moments in recent F1 history. But with that excitement comes an undeniable safety risk. As Formula One pushes for better driver protection, the question remains: should Jeddah be modified even further, or is it simply already too dangerous for modern Formula One? One thing's for sure, as we head into the 2025 Saudi Arabian Grand Prix, all eyes will be on Jeddah once again. Will it deliver another unforgettable race, or will it deliver another controversy? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss another episode. For more stories about classic race circuits and forgotten tracks, visit circuitsofthepast.com, and you can download a free ebook about 7 abandoned tracks that you can still visit legally. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.